Hi everyone， 各位同学们好。I am Dr. Uli in Uli Oriental Medicine, PhD of Science. My author, selected notes, translated, illustrated, 黄帝内经素文，黄帝内经灵书。This is my book, 素文 and 灵书 translate into Korean. I am reading 中国当代针灸名家医案。针灸名家医案 Medical Records of Chinese Acupuncture Masters. Today I am reading and learning and studying. I am learning Chinese pronouns and English, translate English, rely on Google interpreter. Today let's read Chinese.
痢三痤疮，毛囊炎。
痤疮 second sound 痤疮 first sound 痤疮毛囊炎what sound? Second sound 毛囊goes up 毛囊炎痤 means left side, this one disease, one of disease. The name of disease 痤 disease. What is 痤 and this one疮 disease. The name of disease 疮 so the name of disease 痤疮 in Korean 痤疮 Chinese 痤疮 Let's read one more.
痢三痤疮，毛囊炎。
毛hair 囊 cavity, that is follicle 毛囊炎 means inflammation, fire above fire, that is fire double fire 火 fire above fire double fire means flammable flame in disease inflammation coming from fire. So the character show the meaning inflammation yin fire flame inflammation yin fire inflammation at skin follicle in English.
Example 3. Acne Folliculitis.
I am learning English word. Folliculitis.
Folliculitis.
What's the meaning of folliculitis? That is inflammation of the hair follicles. Inflammation of the hair follicles. So we say folliculitis. I may forget in a short time once. Turn around, forget my memory, terrible memory, getting older. Folliculitis. Acne on face. How can we solve this problem? Acne problem. How can we approach? Is there any idea? Let's think about. We need to find the solution. What case? Let's have a look. Copy and attach, paste on Google in Translator, and Google reading for me Chinese pronounce. I can read Chinese character in Korean. 고 XX 녀 교사 1989년 6월 4일 초진. This is reading in Korean. Now reading in Chinese.
顾 XX 女，教师，1989年6月4日出诊。
The speaker very low, speaker sound very low, so let's increase the speaker sound volume. What we call installation speaker. Oh, very low level. Okay, increase speaker sound. Yep. Did speaker sound now. Let's have a look.
顾 XX 女，教师 1989年6月4日出诊。
Yep. Gu. The surname is Gu. Gu. Korean. Gu. 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 Nui, female. 教师 teaching, 师 naming teacher, respecting name, 教师 teacher. 1989年 second sound 年 uprising. 6 月 month. 4 日 day. 出诊 first sound. 出 means first. 诊 consultation. 诊 third sound. Very fun learning Chinese, very fun reading in English.
Gu XX, female, teacher. First visit on June 4th, 1989.
1989. Female teacher. What's the main symptom? What symptom does she have?
主诉面部痤疮2个月。
主诉 means complain. Saying, talking. 面部 face. 部 part. Face part. 痤疮 What disease? The name of disease. 痤疮 We can imagine from the sound 痤疮 what image can we receive from this sound? 痤疮 That is acne. 2 months acne she had. Copy and paste in Google Translator. We don't remember. The AI has all information and knowledge. So we may lost our job soon. AI do all of them. AI indicate much more exact, correct prescription. Let's read.
病史2个月前，患者前额及口唇四周先后出现10多个散在的米粒大小的丘疹 Papules 抽占，呈深红色，自觉麻痒微痛，1周后有的成为脓疮，脓头破溃后干燥结痂，脱落后留有色素沉着，随即其他部位又出现新的丘疹。曾在哈尔滨市多家医院就诊，均诊断为座疮、毛囊炎。曾口服先锋霉素IV号，用中药内服及局部贴敷雷夫奴尔纱条Rafenur. The active ingredient in Rafen is ibuprofen, which assists in the relief of pain and inflammation. For the temporary relief of pain and or inflammation, gauze均未见效。伴有胃中嘈杂感，不欲饮食，大便秘结等。
Let's read one by one. 病史 history, disease, medical history, two piece, 月month, 2 month, 前 before 前 before 2 months before 2 months ago. 患者患 means sickness. 者 people, sickness people, that is patient. 患者 patient. 前额 front 腭 that is this one on the right side, this part, meaning head. This one indicate one part of head that name is part. On the head, part that is forehead here. Front forehead. 前额 is front head. 棘 and 口唇 mouth, 唇 lips 唇口唇 mouth, lip. 四周 full around, 周 rounding around, circle. Mouth, lip, four direction around, rounding four direction, four round. 先 先 first 后late 先后 front and back this is time出现coming out 先shown 出现appeared developed 出现10多个10 amount of sun scattered exist sun scattered exist that is of 没辣 rice 辣how can explain Papules 大小的qiūzhěn出现qiūzhěn Papules qiūzhěn means also saying some disease. This one show one of disease. Zhen disease. That is papules. 呈 express out 深红色 深 deep 红 red 红 means left side. This one thread coloring red color. We call that hong red color thread. We say hong red color. 红色 color. 自觉feel 自 by oneself 自觉麻痒麻 feeling 麻 that is numb feeling. Numb and yang. This one disease. This shape show disease. This one yang. Sheep yang. Sound yang. Disease What disease? Yang disease. Yang disease. Yang disease. What feeling from the yang? That is itch disease. Itch. Yang itch. 胃痛 胃 is very little slight small 胃痛 pain small pain slight pain light pain like this one by one character meaning and translate 一周后 rounding cycle that is 1 week cycle so 一周 means 1 week 后 after 1 week after 有的成为脓疮有的有 have own is exist 有的 have this is of 成为成 becomes achieve 成 achieve becomes 为 becomes 脓肠 脓 means left side this one part of our organ situation our organ our one part of our body脓becomes脓that is pus situation we call脓疮 the acne papules pus coming out from the papules 脓疮脓头 pus head broken means left side this one stone with stone break the window broken K this one K means dam broken K like dam broken K broken whole after broken after 干潮干燥 what's the sound 干燥 dry and dry 干燥 that is dry and 结痂干燥结痂结 qiūzhěn means hard to translate in English. Thread and thread connect together, that is qiūzhěn. So marriage we call qiūzhěn, qiūzhěn, that is marriage in Chinese, qiūzhěn. Connection, ja. This one represent disease, meaning this one represent sound, ja sound, ja. This one meaning add. Here just represent sound only. So this character means disease, one of disease. The name of disease, disease. What is disease? Like scar. After inflammation, after injury, left some scars.脱落. What's the pronounce of脱落.脱 means take off. Skin take off clothes.脱落 drop. Take off and drop. Ho after. Take off after. 留有 left. Exist. 留有色素 color 素 coloring. Color sauce. Su means sauce. Color sauce. 称煮 What's this pronounce? 沉着 deep. 着沉着 deeply settle. 着 means settle. 沉着. So when we translate Chinese, one of each character meaning translate. 随即 following 其that is follow, that is 其他 D 其 means the 他 means other the other 部位 that is place way location 部位 the other place location 又 again 出现 out turn out shown means shown turn out shown 新的丘疹 新 means new the means of new of丘疹 what is this pronounced 疹就诊 means heal 疹就诊 means papules like on the hill flow down some bad liquid就诊常在before like this one by one translate I can translate all this sentence in Korean but can't translate into English. I need to learn English for explaining Chinese medicine to Western people. Also, I need to learn Chinese reading, for there are many Chinese people, so when we know the meaning of Chinese, we can understand the meaning of Chinese medicine more more detailed understanding for the word. Translation, we can catch only outside meaning only. Hard to catch inside the meaning of word, original word. So when we read the book, the best one is reading original book. Okay, let's translate this into English. Google translate for us.
Medical history. 2 months ago, the patient developed more than 10 scattered, rice grain-sized papules qiūzhěn, on her forehead and around her lips. These were deep red, with a feeling of numbness, itching, and slight pain. 1 week later, some developed into pustules. After the pustules ruptured, dried, and scabbed over, leaving pigmentation after the scabs fell off. New papules then appeared on other areas. The patient had consulted several hospitals in Harbin, all of which diagnosed acne folliculitis. She had previously taken oral cephalosporin IV and used traditional Chinese medicine internally and topical application of Rafenur gauze, but these treatments were ineffective. She also experienced stomach upset, loss of appetite, and constipation.
Her symptom: stomach upset, stomach function problem, stomach upset, and loss of appetite, digestion problem, and constipation, bowel motion problem, constipation. So stomach function not so good, and constipation means dry up, could be some stomach fire inside. So it could be related with some heating fire, excess of fire in her body inside, especially related with her digestion system. Stomach might have strong fire. How come she has strong fire in her body? We need to try to think about that. Let's checking one by one the story. 2 months ago, she had 10 rice grain size papules. How do we read these papules?
Papules.
What's the meaning of papules? A small raised solid pimple or swelling, often forming part of a rash on the skin, and typically inflamed but not producing pus. Not yet pus. We call that papule. I learned the word papule. Papule, small raised solid pimple or swelling, often forming part of a rash on the skin. Part of a rash, pimple, rash papule on the skin, typically inflamed situation, but not pus yet. At that time, we call papules.
Papule.
On her forehead and around her ribs area. Forehead and around the rib area, we need to think about the meridian channel who passing through this area. Could be Yangming, foot Yangming, and Shou Yangming meridian approach to this area. These deep red means hitting fire deep inside, deep red. Feeling of numbness feeling, and itching, and slight pain. 1 week later, some develop into pustules. What is pustule? Where does it go? Pustule, this is Korean dictionary, English dictionary,
Pustule.
pustule, pus related with pus, small pus filled skin swelling, small pus filled skin swelling, small blister-like formation on plants. Pustule, small pus-filled skin swelling, pustules. Learn English word pustule. After the pustules ruptured, dried, and dried, and scabbed over, ruptured. What's the meaning of ruptured? ruptured, rupture,
ruptured, ruptured, ruptured,
ruptured, broken, broken, broken or torn open, leaking, often leaking, broken or torn open, damaged or disrupted, damaged or disrupted, in function or structure, damaged or disrupted, in function or structure, function, functionally or structure, damaged, disrupted, ruptured and dried and scabbed, scabbed over, scabbed over. Scabbed, dry, rough, protective crust, dry and rough protective crust. During healing wound, becomes dry, rough, protective crust produced, scab, covering, dry cover, scabbed over, and leading pigmentation after the scab fell off. Pigmentation. I need to learning pigmentation. Natural coloring of animal or plant tissues. Natural coloring of animal tissues. Pigmentation. Natural coloring on animal natural coloring of animal tissues, leaving some coloring scar. New papules then appeared on other area. New papules grow more on other area. A patient had consulted several hospitals in Harbin, diagnosed acne folliculitis. Taken oral cephalosporin 4. Oral cephalosporin 4 and traditional Chinese medicine internally and topical application of Rafenur gauze. Rafenur gauze. I don't know the Rafenur gauze. But all these treatments were ineffective. In this situation, she might feel very miserable. Her symptoms: stomach upset, loss of appetite, and constipation.
因用药物治疗无效而来我院求治于针灸科。
In reason because of as use 药物 medicine 药物治疗 treatment 无效 no effect 无效 effect so also lie come 我院 our hospital 求治request treatment we at 针灸科针灸 department. Let's reading.
检查前额及口唇四周有散在的米粒大小的毛囊丘疹，初起如素，色深红，有的已成为脓疮，破溃处冒少许脓性分泌物，周围皮肤有暗紫色的色素沉着，舌质红，苔黄，脉前硕。
舌质汤 material quality 红 red 苔黄苔 coating yellow coating means some fire heating in the stomach. My pulse 弦 wiry and shoot fast with some temperature fire, so we can expect some fire heat in her body inside. So pulse fast and qiūzhěn means wiry, that is liver yang, liver fire, has much liver fire, liver yang all the time goes up to the head. So we need to extinguish heat and fire in her, reduce purging heat and fire in her stomach and liver. Translate into English.
Examination. Scattered, rice grain-sized follicular papules are present on the forehead and around the lips. Initially, they resemble millet grains in size and are deep red in color. Some have developed into pustules, with a small amount of purulent discharge from the ruptured areas. The surrounding skin shows dark purple pigmentation. The tongue is red with a yellow coating, and the pulse is wiry and rapid.
That is very strong tense, with the pressure, with the fire, with the heating in her body. Too much he feel full. Forehead and around the lips happen, that is Yangming stomach, Yangming channel, Yangming meridian channel. Looks like the size, papule size, millet grain, rice size, and deep red means is the expression of deep heat from inside, deep red. Some develop into pustules. I forgot pustule soon. What is pustule? It's very hard for me.
Pustules.
Pus related with pus. Pustule. Small blister or pimple on the skin containing pus. Pustules. Develop into pustule. That means containing pus inside. That is the signing of inflammation, inflamed inside. Small blister or pimple on the skin. Small blister and pimple on the skin containing pus. Pustule. pustule,
pustule, pustule,
and purulent, this word.
Purulent, purulent,
Purulent, purulent,
purulent, purulent,
purulent. Pus formation, purulent. Pus formation, containing or producing pus. Purulent, containing or produce pus. Purulent discharge, discharge, that is containing pus discharge coming out from the ruptured areas. Oh, looks terrible on her face. The surrounding skin shows dark purple pigmentation. Tongue is red and yellow coating. Red tongue means heating fire inside, internal heating. Yellow coating. So need purging, reducing heat and fire, clean fire. How can we clean the fire and heat? He displays nearby big 4-lane road, Terapa Road, busy road, many traffic noise coming at daytime. There are many noise.
诊断：痤疮、毛囊炎、火毒赤盛行。
火毒赤盛行，赤盛行，赤 Korean 气 China 赤 and 气 very similar. 赤盛 Korean 성 China 上 신 Korean 향 and 신 very similar. ho fire do toxin do do means toxin fire toxin, fire produced by fire leave many toxin in our body. 火毒赤盛
Diagnosis: Acne Folliculitis with severe heat and toxins.
If severe rising up, that is 赤盛 means like fire, flame up. Seriously, that is 赤橙.痤疮, 毛囊炎, folliculitis, 诊断. When we go to the Chinese hospital, the doctor do consultation. They said the 诊断, the conclusion of consultation, they say 诊断 means cutting, make a decision. 诊断 means cut with a knife. Cut 断 we say 断 right side this one cutter. I don't know the cutter name. Hammer. X. This one means X. Use X. 断 cutting. How can what theory of treatment do we need? Establish the rule of treatment. Theory of treatment.
치리야오 정설 양명화리.
This one Korean, English.
治疗清泻阳明火热。
清泻阳明 second sound 阳明火热 third sound 火热 fourth sound first cut off, drop off fast. 热火热清泻阳明火热清泻 clean, cooling down, wash out. 阳明 fire and heat. That is focus on Yangming meridian. Hand Yangming, show Yangming, especially foot Yangming, stomach. Heat and fire, too much fire in stomach. How come she has excess of fire in her stomach? Think about it. And then what point can we use in this situation? Select it. Okay, how can we solve this problem?
曲穴，大椎
大
穴，
椎、
尾中，
尾中、
曲池，
曲
合
池、
谷，
合
足
谷、
三里，
足三里、足三里、合谷、合谷、合谷、曲池、曲池、大椎，first sound， 大椎、大椎、尾中、尾中、尾 third sound， 尾中 first sound， 尾中 PL40， 大椎 GV14， 曲池 large 阳明 large intestine 11， 合谷、合谷、合谷、合谷，阳明LI4， 足三里、足三里、足三里、足三里，阳明 stomach。So purging, strong stimulation, twist, wide angle, fast, longer, in and out, fast, at the same time, in and out, insert and thrust in my English couldn't express in and out. So we can use 大椎 for what? 大椎 for what? 大椎 just think about question. 尾中 why use 尾中 why use 尾中 曲池 that is 阳明 rich abundant qi and blood 阳明 meridian double yang, so rich qi and blood can stimulate and purging reduce from here, so much qi and blood can be reduced with this point. 曲池阳明曲池hand 阳明合谷 also 阳明 hand 阳明and 足三里 foot 阳明足三里 is earth point, earth point. 足三里合穴和经阴输经合five 输 among five 输 the last 合穴go to the sea 合穴足三里is to earth 合穴earth of earth, so strong earth, so reduce double earth, strong earth, so reduce earth qi, very good. 足三里 We need to read the Chinese.
操作大椎尾中用3棱针点4放血，每日1次。其他穴位用毫针针刺。是年转补泻手法之泻法，留针30分钟，每日1次。针刺3次后，胃中嘈杂感消失，食欲增加。1周后，丘疹变小变平，表面干燥，色泽由红变紫，由紫变淡。痤疮破溃后结痂，2周后有少部分丘疹消失，结痂渣凝结在伤口或创口表面的块状物 scab crust 脱落。1个月后，丘疹全部消失。
1个月后 1 month later, 1 month after, qiūzhěn, qiūzhěn, Papules,全部 all of them 消失 disappear, 消失 disappeared. How can we handling 黏胀 with the finger twist turning rotating, twist and turning, twist turning 补泻手法 can tonify and purging, among them use purging method, using purging method with the twist and turning handling way. 留针30分钟 long hour 30分钟，每天1次。Translate into English.
Procedure. Bloodletting was performed at Dajui, GV14, and Weizhong, BL40. Acupoints using a 3-edged needle, once daily. Other acupoints were needled with filiform needles using a reducing technique involving twisting and rotating, retaining the needles for 30 minutes, once daily. After 3 acupuncture sessions, the stomach discomfort disappeared, appetite increased, and after 1 week, the papules became smaller and flatter, the surface dried, and the color changed from red to purple. Then from purple to light. After the acne ruptured, scabs formed. After 2 weeks, a small number of papules disappeared, and the scabs fell off. After 1 month, all papules disappeared.
Oh, amazing. Just catch out the theory of our body system, that is excess of heat and fire in her stomach, inter-organ. Could be she might have big emotional stress. Stress can produce fire up, or she might have wrong habit of diet, pushing in too much high calorie food, accumulate in her organ, especially fat liver, and high calorie turn into fat surrounding her stomach area and the intestine area. So inside, very heat and fire, excess of fire. So the approaching way is extinguish fire, focus on her stomach, Yangming channel, Yangming meridian goes up to the face, especially forehead part and the rib around, that is Yangming meridian channel. So following the meridian channel, stimulate that meridian point. So use earth of earth, qiūzhěn, that is main host point, and show Yangming, Hegu, and qiūzhěn also earth point in large intestine. So reduce earth qi more, earth connected stomach and spleen. Ennui means speaking word. An means left, this one hand, represent hand, with the hand, an, that is press, with the hand, press. So more. When we say more, it's like press with the hand, massage. More, that is press, massage. Pressing. Press word. Ennui. So means press or analyzing word, that is ennui, expressing one's opinion. Ennui, express one's thought. Ennui, that is very keyword. Reading Chinese.
暗语患者由于自食高粱后味之品，致使脏腑积热，阳明火毒内发，上窜于面部而发为本病。大椎为督脉之穴，督脉统帅诸阳，大椎放血可疏泄阻邪火毒。尾中为血之细穴，四肢放血以清血热。手足阳明经君上循面颊，故取池、合谷、足3里，以泻阳明火毒。
Let's translate into English.
Note: the patient's excessive consumption of rich and greasy foods led to the accumulation of heat in the internal organs, causing the Yangming fire toxin to erupt internally and rise to the face, resulting in this disease. Dajui, GV14, is an acupoint on the Du meridian, which governs all Yang meridians. Bloodletting at Dajui can release the obstructing fire toxin.
That's right.
Weizhong, BL40, is a she cleft point for blood. Bloodletting at Weizhong clears blood heat. Since both the hand and foot Yangming meridians ascend along the cheeks, Kuchi, Li 11, Hegu, Li 4, and Zusan Li, ST 36, are selected to release the Yangming fire toxin.
Let's reading the patient excessive consumption rich and greasy food led to the accumulation of heat where in the internal organ accumulated heat with the rich and greasy food. This one causing Yangming fire toxin. Excess of fire produce abnormal material that is not good in our body material. We call that toxin. So Yangming fire doesn't go down. Fire all the time goes up, so erupt through our throat, going up to our mouth and face, erupt internally and rise to the face. So resulting this situation, papules coming out on face area. Why does J used? J is do meridian is yang control yang meridian. So do meridian governs all yang meridians in our body. Governs all yang meridian coming out from do meridian. When we bloodletting at J can reduce fire toxin. And 胃中 why we can select 胃中 is a C cleft. What is cleft? C point, C cleft point. Cleft. Cleft means the cavity opening or gap between body parties. So cleft point that is situated at the cavity opening or gap between the body part. Gap between the body part, that is cleft. So we call that cleft. 胃中 is cleft point in our body. That is Xi in China. Xi means cleft point between a body part, some cavity gap. So can stay blood storage, like blood storage. So 胃中 is blood cleft point, blood stain meeting collected point at gap between the gap of the body, cleft point. 胃中 is blood cleft point. So bloodletting at 胃中 can clear blood hit much, because there are many blood stay there, like blood storage gap, blood stay a gap. Because both the hand and foot yangming meridian, foot and hand Yangming meridians ascending along the cheeks, and so the one of them qiūzhěn is earth point, her point earth. So remove earth qi, 合谷 and 举三里 these Yangming rich of qi and blood. Yangming has rich qi and blood, so can stimulate qi and blood much. So 举三里 and qiūzhěn and Hegu selected to release the Yangming fire toxin, to release Yangming fire toxin.
面颊故取池，合谷，足3里，以泻阳明火毒。
面颊 that is side chin and cheek. 颊 meaning right side, this one represent part of head. 颊 this one pronounce sound of this character. 颊 side 颊 cheek.
For the cheeks, qiūzhěn, Hegu, and Zhusanli acupoints are selected to drain the Yangming fire toxin.
Yep, for the cheeks, take qiūzhěn, Hegu, and Zhusanli, Yangming meridian passing through this point. Acupoint are selected to drain the Yangming fire toxin. So to drain out Yangming fire toxin, we can select qiūzhěn, Hegu, and Zhusanli. General heat and fire. When we meet general heat and fire, usually we select Hegu. If someone high temperature, usually we strongly stimulate Hegu.
痤疮，无论中医或西医在治疗上都比较困难，往往疗效不显，一般病程较长，有的治愈后又复发，连绵不断。 患者曾服用抗生素和中药治疗均无效，而用针刺治疗后却收到满意的效果，且可预防复发。
且可预防复发，预防 prevent recurrence. Fang means prevent. We means before coming, before recurrence. Let's read the Chinese English translation.
Acne is difficult to treat with either traditional Chinese medicine or Western medicine, often resulting in limited efficacy, a long course of illness, and recurring episodes even after initial treatment. Patients who had previously tried antibiotics and traditional Chinese medicine without success experienced satisfactory results after acupuncture treatment, which also helped prevent recurrence.
Acne is difficult to treat with either traditional Chinese medicine or Western medicine. Hard to treat acne, often resulting in limited efficacy. Also a long course of illness and recurring episodes even after initial treatment. Recurring episode. Patient who had previously tried antibiotic and traditional Chinese medicine without success experienced they can satisfactory result after acupuncture treatment. Also helped prevent recurrence.
虽有报道挑刺局部红疹治疗痤疮而获较好疗效者，但该患者痤疮发生在前额及鼻唇三角区，不能直接针刺患部，更不能挤压，否则细菌可由血循环扩散至脑部，后果严重。而采用该治疗方案安全可靠，行之有效。
Translate into English.
While there are reports of successful treatments for acne by pricking localized rashes, this patient's acne was located on the forehead and nasolabial triangle area. making direct needle pricking of the affected area impossible, and squeezing was strictly prohibited. Otherwise, bacteria could spread through the bloodstream to the brain, with serious consequences. This particular treatment method, however, is safe, reliable, and effective.
Yep, this particular treatment, safe and reliable and effective. Some acne by pricking localized rashes, but this patient acne was located on the forehead and nasolabial triangle area. So impossible. Direct needle pricking of the affected area, very cautious. And the squeezing strictly prohibited on that area because of infection. Otherwise, bacteria could spread through the bloodstream to the brain, close to the brain. Very careful. Serious consequence can produce. So be careful. So without prickling, just with the needle, and just bloodletting far from affected area, just 大椎 and 尾中 is the cleft point, blood state cleft point, so can drain out blood hit through there. 尾中 is a C point. C means cleft. It's like cavity gap in our body. Store blood stay there and stored, so can have many blood. So control blood. Use 尾中. Today I have very good learning and study, very useful. It was good. The main reason related with a high calorie food, excess of fire in our internal organ, especially stomach. Yangming has rich qi and blood, so that Yangming heat fire goes up to the face, so many papules happen. So the way is reduce heat and fire from Yangming meridian useful 合故 and 大椎胃中龋齿 was very good study today. Next time could be insomnia problem. Okay, today until here. Good